Star Wars was taking from Islamic realities. The whole movie was teaching about Prophet.
For over 1,000 generations, the Jedi Knights were the guardians of peace and justice.
All the Jedi masters were in full sunnah and jubbas, and they had their diwan of awliya that are in association always with Prophet. Star Wars was teaching those Jedi the way of futuwah. They are from the people of the Force.
The Force is what gives the Jedi his power. It's an energy field created by all living things. It surrounds us, penetrates us, it binds the galaxy together.
Let me see your identification.
You don't need to see his identification.
We don't need to see his identification.
He can go about his business.
You can go about your business.
Move along.
Move along. Move along.
The whole time they were training to tap into the Force.
Let go your conscious self and act on instinct.
I can't even see. How am I supposed to fight?
Your eyes can deceive you. Don't trust them.
By the madad and all of their practices, your entire being is changing.
Remember, a Jedi can feel the Force flowing through him.
When it becomes magnetized, you're putting out a very positive charge.
You see? You can do it.
And they brought Yoda, which is the master. He walked with the asa because he was carrying the sunnah of Prophet.
You must unlearn what you have learned.
The way of the master is to show yourself as nothing. You may not see him have any power because your eyes are only under an illusion. So when he was trying to lift that ship out of the water, it lifted it up in a second.
Strong am I with the Force. But beware. Anger, fear, aggression, the dark side are they. Once you start down the dark path, forever will it dominate your destiny.
What is thy bidding, my master?
We have a new enemy.
He's just a boy.
The Force is strong with him.
He will join us or die, master.
We'll handle this.
Call upon the Naqshbandi Shaykhs. They are from the people of the Force. La hawla wa la quwwata illa billahi aliyyil azim. Means there's no help and no power except in Allah. But the reality of hawla and quwwa is the madad and support. When Allah wants to send support, He sends those souls with energy to the servant. Want to reach your reality? Tap into the Force. حرمة محمد المصطفى وبسر سورة الفاتحة.